Today, we're going to be talking about one of the best kept secrets in business funding for startups: unsecured business credit cards. So, what exactly is an unsecured business credit card? Unlike loans, unsecured credit cards don't require you to put up collateral like property or equipment. Instead, they're based on credit worthiness and your business's financial profile. Let's go over why this is a great choice for new business owners, especially if you're just getting started. Let's start with a common concern I hear: I don't want to go into debt. And that's totally a fair worry. But here's the thing: unsecured business credit cards can be a strategic tool, not a burden. Many of these cards offer a 0% interest introductory period, usually lasting from 6 all the way up to 18 months. It gives you a chance to use the funds in your business without paying any interest. So if you use this time wisely for marketing, for hiring help, or even buying supplies for your business, you can grow your business without high interest debt weighing you down. Another big question is, what if I don't qualify? This is a great question, and here's what you need to qualify for unsecured business credit cards. Generally, a credit score of 720 or higher, a properly set up LLC, and a relationship with the right banks. Now in this video, I don't want to dive too deep into that, but if you guys need help with building your credit, fixing your credit, setting up your LLC, my company can also help with that as well. Now, if you have these things in place, you have the highest chance of getting approved. And if your score just isn't there yet, there are always ways to build it up. The key when it comes to getting funding is getting funding from a bank that aligns with your goals and also your business's needs. Another thing you're probably thinking is, won't it hurt my credit score? So let's talk about credit scores. Some people worry that using credit cards will hurt their credit. Here's the good news: unsecured business credit cards don't impact your personal credit at all, as long as you manage them responsibly. So as long as you don't miss any payments or anything like that, you keep it in good standing, it will never show up on your personal credit. That is because these cards normally just report to the business credit bureaus, not your personal. So as you use certain cards for your business, they actually start helping you build out your business credit profile, which will make it easier to qualify for even more funding in the future. Some people also ask me, isn't a credit card just like a loan? And my answer to that is not exactly. Unsecured business credit cards are different because they're revolving lines of credit. That means that you have access to a set amount of funds, and as you pay them back, the money becomes available again. Whereas with a traditional loan, once you use the money's gone, and you'll need to reapply if you need more. With a business credit card, however, you could use the funds and repay them as needed. The flexibility is perfect for covering short-term expenses and unexpected costs. And finally, I often hear, isn't this risky? Now, like any financial tool, there are risks. But when used strategically, unsecured business credit cards are a lot less risky than you think. You're not putting any assets on the line, and with careful planning, you can use this tool to manage your cash flow and build up your business. Another great benefit to using 0% interest business credit cards is that whenever you do have a balance that you're carrying, your minimum monthly payment on that balance will only be 1% of that total balance. So let's just say, for example, you need $10,000 off your business credit card to cover inventory for your new business. Your minimum monthly payment will only be $100 during that 0% interest introductory period. You can borrow 10 grand to cover your startup costs, and your minimum monthly payment will only be $100 a month for the following 12 months, which gives you plenty of time to be able to get your business going and make that money back, plus some, which would be profit in your pocket. The key is to use these business credit cards for business spending only, not personal spending. By tracking your expenses and paying your balance on time, you minimize risk and maintain control over your finances. To recap, here's why unsecured business credit cards are great for startups. First thing is, you have access to funding without having to put up collateral, which means no need to put assets on the line. You have an introductory 0% interest period, which gives you a head start without having to deal with high interest rates, anywhere from 6 months all the way up to 18 months. Certain business credit cards also will help you build your business credit profile, which will ultimately help you qualify for more funding down the road. It's also a revolving line of credit, which gives you the flexibility to use the funds when you need them and pay them back over time. After you pay them back, you can use that money again. Lastly, will be really low payments. You will only pay 1% of whatever your revolving balance is when you are using 0% interest business credit cards. So if you're a new business owner looking for a smart way to fund your new business, consider unsecured business credit cards. They give you flexibility, control, and a low-risk way to manage your cash flow. If you're ready to get started, reach out today. It will help you understand your options and find the best path forward to fund your business dreams. With the right tools, starting and growing your business can be a stress-free and exciting journey. Let's make it happen together. With that being said, my name is Jalil Nash. I'm the founder of JSN Funding Solutions, where we help small business owners secure funding to start and grow their existing business. And I hope you guys got value from this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.